Hello, my spooky friends. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today I'm doing a colorful clown. I wanted this to be fun and outgoing and a little bit less than a horror or a bloody clown. I have done one of those in the past. I'll link that video below. But I'm also going back in and using the Indi Cosmetics white foundation. I want to give this a try because I have used the cream, I have used the grease, I have used the water-based paints, and I have used white correctors for regular foundation. So I wanted to give this a try, so don't forget to subscribe because I am going to be reviewing all the products. We're going to see how they wear, how they blend, and I picked 10 colors. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and let's just go ahead and get into it. I painted my nails for this one, and this is real simple. I took the back of a makeup brush and I dipped it into fingernail polish to create the dots. Using Indi Cosmetics face base in the color white, I was very impressed with the opacity right out of the gate. Even using a sponge that tends to absorb product, it still was showing up very easily. I did not have to use a brush, but I will be testing them with a brush also. But today I'm using the sponge, and I was able to achieve the opacity I wanted in only 2 coats. Since this is a foundation, you can use primers to prep your skin. And I give it a small coat of translucent powder to lock it into place. With some orange eyeshadow, I go up to the brow bone, a little around each outer corner, inner corner, and down into the eye socket, making sure to blend that out with a little bit darker orange for that gradient look. With some purple eyeshadow, I do the same thing, building the coverage from the inner corner, outer corner, up into the brow bone. I wanted to keep this orange and purple for Halloween. I also wanted this makeup to be even more beginner friendly, as you do not have to block out your eyebrows to get this look. Using the same purple eyeshadow, I contour my cheekbones and I carry the contour up into the hairline, and I blend that out with some orange. I apply some black eyeliner, and then I smudge that up underneath the color using a brush and making sure that shadow for the triangles is carried below the color. Using white eyeliner, I mark the tip of where I want my triangles to go above each eyebrow. With the same black eyeliner, I go in and create triangles above the eyebrow and up under the eyelid, and I paint those in black. Using more waterliners, I go in and make circles above the tip of the triangle for each side using the opposite color of the eyeshadow. I color those in. And then I make sure that my little button nose is colored in. And to exaggerate my lips, I round up the cupid's bow and I exaggerate the shape in between and also that bottom lip line. For that ombre lip color look, I'm going in with some purple right next to the black line, and then I take some orange lipstick and I add that into the inside of the lip, making sure that all colors are blended, not leaving any harsh lines. I go in with a little bit more purple, using black eyeshadow to smoke out the top of the lid and up underneath, bringing it all together. Using white for highlights, I place marks over into the color of the little round circles. I use some eyeshadow to create that little halo glow that also adds dimension. I add a white highlight to my nose, and then I carry the circle to the end of the line to exaggerate the smile, coloring in purple on the outside, orange in the center with some highlight and some more eyeshadow. I put in my clown eyelashes, using black eyeshadow I buff out into the purple and keeping it in with a theme of opposite color but still ombre and soft. I use eyeshadow on the top portion of the purple and add a little bit more orange to the bottom of the lip. I tap in some eyeshadow to soften everything up. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. It was a fun one to do. And if you'd like to see sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, or vote on my next look, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and those links are below. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be doing a swatch and review of more of the colored foundation. And I'll see you next time. Bye.